Welcome back. Today we are doing a New Year's look. Unlike the Christmas look that I did earlier, we are going to actually stick to nude. We are going to stick to browns with bold red lipstick. It's a new year and yeah, we're starting off bold. We are starting off bold, so that's why I'm going for that bold red lipstick. So if you're interested, stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a new year and you guys need to support your girl. All right then, keep watching. Bye bye. Like I said, we're going to be going for nudes again. I am using the same palette I use for my Christmas look. So it's going to be the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 by Stacey Marie. And this palette is absolutely gorgeous. This palette is so gorgeous. So that's what we're going to be using today. As usual, I have done my eyebrow off camera because I wanted to save time, and nobody really wants to sit down and watch people do eyebrows all the time. You know, it's like the same things over and over and over again, right? I'm going to base my eye with a concealer. It's the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. How was your Christmas, guys? How did you guys celebrate it? I mean, let me know in my comment bar below how you guys celebrated your Christmas, whether you had an amazing Christmas or not. Right, I'm actually going to use this to buff it in. The sponge tends to get rid of it, and I'm not trying to get rid of it really. I'm trying to blend it in. Now that we've blended it in, I am going on top of it with setting powder to set it in. And the powder we're going to use to set the eye is the original no color powder, RCMA. Dab it on, basically. That's what I'm doing. Right, so I've set the eye. So now we're going to do the eyeshadow. From the palette, we're actually going to use the browns, like I said. So we're going to be using these browns here. So we're going to be using these, and a little bit of black as well. We will try and make it look a little bit like a smoky brown look. I am going to use Cocoa for the crease. We are going to blend it. This one will be a very simple look. It's very easy to achieve. All I did was put cocoa in the crease, and now I am blending it in. And blend, take your time and blend. So I'm blending it all the way to the top. I'm gonna go in with tan lines. This is just so simple. You can achieve this so easily, especially when you have to go out. You don't want to be sitting around for so long applying your makeup. So that's why I decided to do this look for New Year. I'm using the cocoa again, and the cocoa is going on the lid itself. Yep, it looks similar to... I'm actually gonna add a bit of black to it. What did you do, and what did you eat this year? Did you guys eat turkey or did you eat lamb? Let me know in the comment bar below. I'm gonna put black beach on top of it. Okay, so now I've put black beach on top of it, just to get a little bit of that smoky look, that smoky effect. This is it. Just simple, straightforward, nothing too crazy. Now we're going to do the eyeliner, and we are going for NYX Epic ink for the eyeliner. Eyeliner is done. We are going to do the eyelashes, but before we do the eyelashes, I'm going to put mascara on my actual lashes so that the eyelashes will have something to grip on. The lashes we're going to be using today is Fabulashes. I got this from TK Maxx and it says 3D Fox Minx Lashes and Current Beauty. I'm actually going to put eye glue on the eyelashes, and the glue we're using today is lash glue, and I got this from Superdrug. This is how it looks like. The glue has gone on the lashes. We're gonna leave it to dry a little bit. Whilst we wait for the lashes to dry, let's put some highlighter on the brow bone. Foundation we're going to be using today is an NYX Born to Glow in the color Mocha. The foundation is starting to look red. It's got red undertone. Apply concealer, the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, under my eye. I've got this e.l.f. concealer here, which I really love. First of all, I got the wrong shade for me, and secondly, I don't like the way it comes out. The wand is too thick. Look at that. Let me show you guys the wand. Look how thick it is. It's so thick, so a lot comes on it, and then when you put it, it doesn't matter how little or small you put it on there, there's a lot on there. So you practically have to put a dot, but if you don't know initially, you might tend to put a lot on your face. We are putting all over where it's needed. We're starting off with the edges. And we're going to go over with the beauty blender. I'm going to set the face with my Sacha Buttercup. You really can't go wrong with Sacha Buttercup. Now we're going to do like a smoky effect at the bottom. So we're going for Black Peach. We'll be going on top of the Black Peach with Cocoa, which is that one there, Cocoa, to diffuse it a bit. I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lash, and the mascara I'm using today is Maybelline New York Sensational Sky High. It's becoming one of my favorites. So guys, you got anything planned for New Year? Are you guys going to spend it with your family, or are you going to spend it alone? For me, I'm gonna spend it with my family. I can't wait to spend quality time with them. It depends, I don't know if there's gonna be a lockdown. If there's no lockdown, then we will go to church on New Year's Eve. We're going to put highlights, you know, we gotta glow. We are going to glow, put the highlights there. And I'm going to set my whole face with my Benefit setting powder, and it's in color 11. There it is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're actually using two lipstick colors. So this one is from Maybelline and is Vivid Matte Liquid, and this one is from NYX, a liquid lipstick, and the shade for this one is 11. So it's the LSCL 11, that's the shade. And we're going to go on top with the NYX, this shade here. This is the look here, very simple, straightforward. The eyeshadow is very easy to achieve. So yeah, that was what I was going for. I just wanted something very easy and very simple. The lipstick is doing all the talking. The lipstick is the statement piece. So if you like this look, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys.